Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the Great British. Pound. Since euro currency is falling, but it hasn't quite reached our target for approximately for the 50 pips or even more. Or even less right now. It stands on the way, so maybe even today and tomorrow we will get the euro currency right at the point that we have specified, around 111 area. So today it has no really big sense to make any update on the euro currency, since situation is mostly the same as yesterday. We just need to wait a bit more when the market will hit the target. On the Great British Pound, right now it's forming a bit tricky situation, and I would like to talk about it, since maybe some of you are trading Great British Pound right now and hold some positions. So I would like to return back to our discussion of situation on the Great British Pound. In general, guys, if you remember our weekly research and our last conclusions that we have made on the Great British Pound, is that we expect some kind of the downward ABCD action. So right now we do not know whether this action will lead market to the continuation of the dropping on the downward action on the Great British Pound, or that will be just retracement where market after that could show another leg up. So currently it's a bit unclear, but this is a bit far-going analysis, so we will speak about it when time will come to discuss this moment. But right now we're mostly interested in what will happen here right at the top, because from the one point of view, initially we said that probably this upward bounce that has happened, in fact the BC leg, and we probably should get some kind of the ABCD down. But later, as you can see, we've got another upward continuation, and it could mean that market will show another top here before any downward action will start. Besides, here we even could get some kind of the, as you can see, this large ABCD pattern, because on the daily chart we have the head and shoulders pattern, right? Market here has hit just the 100% extension, shows the retracement to the confluence, and now stands to the upside target, upside action. So here we could get even, if you take a look at this, you could get even the butterfly, right? This could become the left wing, that could become the right wing. And if you will measure the distance, it's 1618 target. Based on the head and shoulders pattern is counted in the direction of the breakout, you can see it's approximately 1618, 150 even area. The market could reach as a result of this head and shoulders pattern being formed and this butterfly appearing. But currently it's not clear yet whether we will get this continuation or not. That's why we should move through this analysis step by step. First we need to estimate what will happen right at this top, because here we have some different scenarios that could appear. First pattern that we would like to discuss here is this candle. If you will take carefully, you will see that this is the stop grabber. And as a result of this stop grabber, market should move above this top. In this case, it will mean that this swing up probably will be overextended to the upside. And that's why hardly this swing particular will become the BC leg, something greater probably. If market will hold below this top, it will mean that we still could get chance to get some kind of the ABC action. But if it will move higher, then it will tell us that we stand on the continuation of this large A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. So probably we stand on the on the road to the 1618 extension of this pattern, to the 150 area. So currently we should watch for action in this area. And here we will get the assistance of the 4-hour time frame chart. Take a look at this picture. Theoretically, guys, we could get two different patterns. The first pattern is butterfly down. If it will be formed, we will get completion of this A, B, C top D pattern, because 127 extension stands precisely at 100% extension target. Second opportunity is to get upside butterfly. Take a look. In this case, we have this minor head and shoulders. Recall, we have traded it. That was the announcement of the public poll concerning Brexit. So the chances on the Brexit has reduced significantly, and that has led to the skyrocket action on the British pound. So we have traded last week this head and shoulders pattern. Market has completed AB equals CD leg, dropping to retracement, and now returning back up. This is very bullish sign. And as a result of this sign, we could get this another butterfly, but to the upside. Take a look that the target of this blue butterfly, it's 127, coincides with the 1618 extension of this A, B, C bottom pattern. So in fact, this is 1618 of these head and shoulders. So the picture looks absolutely similar to the daily chart, but the scale is different. So the same patterns, but the just minor scale. Here, guys, we think that the upward action is more probable. Why? Because take a look that this reversal to the upside has happened in the free space. So that was not the target. That was not the some really support or something of that sort. Market just stopped on the way down and returned to the upside. Take a look that based on this pattern, on daily pattern that we are talking about, this one A, B, C top. So here you could see it, A, B, C top. Market hasn't quite even reached the minor 618 target and surprisingly stopped and turned to the upside. It means that this action was not the continuation of this large ABCD, but this was just the minor reaction on the completion point, on the completion of target of this A, B, C equal D pattern. So other way speaking, pattern has been completed, retracement, market stand in the continuation to the next 1618 target that should be reached. Okay? That's why, guys, we think that the upward action here is more probable. And probably in the current week market should hit this 147.30 area, or even will continue to the 1618 extension. Because here is really definitely the lack of the bearish power we see. This market wasn't able even to reach the minor target. And this is definitely not the action with this ABCD. This is more as a reaction on the completion of this target. It's minor retracement, upward continuation. If this is really true, and in this case, the chances that market will stop here and turn down, it's really not really significant. That's why that led us to think that this also just minor reaction. So market has completed A, B equals CD pattern, minor retracement to the confidence support, retested of the neckline, okay, and pivot point, and now it's turning to the upside action again. That's why, guys, as on the hourly chart, as here on the daily chart, the chance on the further upward continuation looks more preferable. Is that potentially market could reach as far as 150 area to complete this head and shoulders pattern, and by the forming of the butterfly cell. In fact, it will depend on this level, since this major fib resistance, if it will be broken, the next destination point will be 150. This will be relatively free space to this area. So that's why, guys, currently we think that it's not really a good idea to take the short position on the Great British Pound, because we see clear bullish signs and some weakness of the bears on the intraday charts, and then how market behaves with the patterns that have been formed recently. So that's why this downward retracement probably could happen later. So chances on the further downward drop on the daily chart has diminished, and based on the recent action and the news that we've got on the last week, I mean the public opinion on the Brexit has changed the situation slightly. That makes possible further a bit deeper upward retracement on the Great British Pound in the nearest time.